How to check Xoom account level. To check your Xoom account level, follow these steps. Visit the Xoom website or open the Xoom app. Log in with your email address and password. Once logged in, navigate to your account profile. This is usually accessible through a menu icon often represented by your initials or a profile picture at the top right of the screen. In your profile or account settings, you should see an option that mentions account level or limits here. You can find your current account level exempli Gracia level 1, level 2, etc. Alongside your account level, Xoom typically displays the transaction limits associated with your level, such as how much you can send in a single transaction or within a certain time period. If you want to upgrade your account level, there might be an option to do so by providing additional information or documentation. If you're having trouble finding this information, you can contact Xoom's customer support for assistance. Thanks for watching.